Hi, hello, welcome to PGR's Indian Recipes. Wedding Biryani. Wedding Biryani, you usually use Basmati rice, which is a long grain rice, or you use Kesar Kali, which is a short grain rice. But today we're going to make a biryani using a long grain Basmati rice. The quantity of the ingredients that we're going to use is for 1 kilogram of rice. For this, we need 2 separate medium-sized pots. One is for cooking the biryani, the other one to boil the rice. So we keep these pots side by side, and in one pot we cook the biryani, the other one we actually boil the water for cooking the rice. We have preheated the pot. We're going to add 250 ml of refined oil. Clove 10 numbers, cardamom 8 to 10 numbers, mace 1 small piece, brown cardamom, that is 1 piece, and cinnamon 8 to 10 pieces. Add these spices and the green chili. We're gonna use 300 grams of onions, finely chopped. Fry these onions till they turn brown. Once the onions are fried to lighter brown, we will add quarter bundle of mint leaves, quarter bundle of coriander leaves, now we will add ginger garlic paste. Now for this ginger garlic paste, I have taken 100 grams of fresh ginger and 50 grams of garlic, and I've ground it into a fine paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Once the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone, we will reduce the flame. Chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Add the chili powder. Turmeric powder. Salt. Mix it well. We are not going to add any extra color to this biryani. The chili powder that we added is going to give us the color what is required. Add 250 ml of curd. Mix it well. Now at this point you can actually increase the flame. Mix it well so that the curd blends with the masala. We will add 300 grams of chopped tomatoes. Fry it till the tomatoes get cooked. Okay, here I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Shai Jeera and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we will add the chicken. Here I'm going to use a chicken thigh piece, the whole leg piece, 1.5 kg chicken. So 1 kg rice, basmati rice, you need to add 1.5 kg of chicken. So let's mix it up so that the masala gets into the chicken. Now the chicken is blended with the masala. At this point of time, we're going to add 800 ml of hot water. We will check the salt at this time. The salt has to be a little bit in excess because we're going to add the rice and the salt has to blend well with the rice. We'll close the lid and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now while the chicken is getting cooked, on the other pot we will increase the flame, we'll add a little bit of salt, and once the water comes to a boil we will add the rice. Now the rice have actually washed it 2 to 3 times and I've soaked it for 10 to 15 minutes and I've kept it aside. So I'm going to add that rice to the boiling water and we're going to cook the rice up to 20%. Once the rice is cooked up to 20%, we will drain the water and add the rice to the biryani. Now that we have added the rice, we will actually add some extra water so that the rice is immersed in that water. So we're going to use the water that we have drained from the rice. Now you can see that the water that I'm using is only up to the level where the rice is immersed into the water. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of ghee. We will add 1 teaspoon of Kira water. Now this is an herbal extract and this is available in most of the supermarkets. You can fetch it from any supermarket. Now we will close it with the lid and we'll allow it to cook on high flame for 2 minutes. Now that it's been cooking for 2 minutes in high flame, we will lower the flame and we will cook the rice in low flame for 10 to 15 minutes, and we will place a heavier object on the lid so that the steam doesn't come out. This is of your choice, you can place any heavier object on it. I'm just using the pot that I've drained the water. It's been cooking for 15 minutes. We're gonna open up the lid. We'll check to see if the water is drained. Just flip the rice from the top to the bottom. Your wedding biryani is ready. If you were missing the wedding biryani, please do try this at home and please do comment in the comment box below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.